ते कट करतले तरी परतून ते सोडटले ते फेन्सिंग घालतले राईट राउंड आणि जाके ते जाणा मारून काडटले चेअरमॅन ऑफ अंजुना कायसवा बायोडायव्हर्सिटी कमिटी management committee. Sunburn, I was shocked to see the advertisement of Sunburn that it is coming down in Vagator. How can these advertisements be placed before permissions could be got? Crime branch has to inquire into this, because only after you have got the permission can you advertise for this function. By advertising for this function, the Sunburn event management are making a fool of Goans and are trying to tell to the Goans that you do what you want, हम देखेंगे, हम चलाएंगे Sunburn. And this government, not only this government, even the previous government, the previous chief minister, are licking the asses of these people. For what? We have our own tourists who are coming for during the Christmas time. We are dependent on the tourists. We, the people of Anjuna Kaiswa, are dependent on these tourists. These tourists are not coming because of Sunburn. Only maybe a fraction more. Beauty. But the main people who are coming here are for the beauty of this area, and they come here for holidays. And they have social distancing will be carried out. But when you have a program, EDM festival like Sunburn in enclosed spaces, there is bound to be tremendous physical contact between all the parties involved. So in this case, I would like to ask the Chief Minister, Mr. Pramod Sawant, sir, you send police and to when there's small roadside meetings, etc., you send the police to arrest these people. But how in the hell are you allowing this Sunburn to take place, and that too at the instance of Mr. Babu Asgaonkar? I am very surprised. Babu Asgaonkar has any sense of morality? No. So you are listening to him and asking the people of Goa to allow Sunburn to happen. You are very wrong. Even masjids are closed. You are saying no, this is closed because to save us people from Corona. But who is going to save us from Corona when Sunburn comes here? Mr. Pramod Sawant, you have to answer this first before you answer anything else. Sunburn, when it comes, people are ready from this area village to go to court, but they play a game. They do not issue any license till 24th, 25th or 26th, because then the courts are on recess and they can do whatever they want after that. So they give even this license on Christmas Day, which is surprising. Which government offices are supposed to operate on holidays and during the Christmas holidays? But these people give them licenses on those days so as to preempt any contact of the people going to the courts and getting justice. The government is not going to give us justice. We have full faith in the judiciary, but they play a game like this. We are going to demand from the courts that licenses to be issued should be issued 15 or 20 days before this. Now take the case of Panchayat body. If they are supposed to give license for this, they have to give 1 week's notice for the meeting to the members. After that 1 week's notice to the members, then a meeting will take place. So 6-7 days are gone there. Then the license is issued. The license has to be handed over to the collector, which is under 2-3 days. So how is it possible in 2 days the Panchayat gives license, the collector gives license, everybody gives license, but for the benefit of the locals, nobody issues license so fast, excepting maybe Parikar son, who got his passed in the Mamladar, his mutation in 1 day without going through the norms. Is the rules and regulations only for the common man? It does it not apply to the government? We have proved this by stopping the destruction of the fort, saying that the rules apply even to the government, whether any rules, it is applicable both to the public, to the Janta, and as well as to the government. So we demand from the government that if you are giving them license, give them at least 1-2 weeks ahead, so that we can take remedial measures. Why do you want to step on our stomach? From December 1st to January 31st, please do not allow any EDM festivals to come here, because this is a peak season. We make money even for the non-peak season. So please, especially in these times, do not issue any, like how Lakshmikant Pasikar 1 year had refused to give permission from December 15 to January 15. We would request Mr. Pramod Sawant, please, from December 1st to January 31st, please put a ban on any EDM festivals coming from outside here. We have our own small close-knit unity for the tourists, where they can have their own type of programs. We do not require outsiders coming here and creating a big tamasha here in our village. Thank you.